Hello fans, followers and customers, I welcome you today to present you one of our latest builds that we have done. We have an Audi TTRS DASA model 2017 that we equipped with our HPerformance Stage 3. Key of this kit is the HPerformance X8 Hybrid Turbo and our nicely 4-inch intake system with the air baffle combined with the Sport Series intercooler, DSG catch tank and some little goodies. Special on this build is the 4-inch turbo back exhaust system, which sounds just amazing. Many customers ask me, oh, I have a 3.5 inch, is it worth to upgrade? Would you directly buy a 4-inch over a 3.5 inch? Hey guys, would you choose a 4-cylinder instead of 5? No. So what are we talking? Get a 4-inch exhaust system. It's incomparable to a 3.5. The sound, the volume, the aggressivity, everything in this tone characteristic is incomparable to 3.5 inch. But you will see this after we measured the power, which we will do now. We make some sound takes, and as you know, HPerformance stands for performance, so we will also go on the street and show you what do you get when you get this build, when you pay this build, what is the result on the street, because that's what's count. Let's start.
Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money in a black whip, got old problems with the friends new. Yeah, I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. Yeah, I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Yeah, told him I'ma hit it out.